Good morning. This is Joseph Emanuelli from your Costa Rica Connection and Remax Tres Amigos, Playa Hermosa, Costa Rica. This morning I received 450 square meters of sod, of Bermuda sod, to put in to finish up the landscaping of the new house that I built. So I've got some guys working here right now, and you can see I've got some palm trees, and behind me back there I've got lemon trees and mango trees and orange trees. I also have a few coconut trees as well, so I could get some fresh coconuts. And you can see I also had close to 15 cubic meters of white rock delivered, and we're doing all sorts of landscape projects here in the property, and hopefully in the next 3 or 4 days all this dirt is covered with nice sod and I'm ready to go and almost done setting up the new house. You all know how it is. You buy a new house, you move in, you got landscaping, you got artwork, all that kind of stuff to set up. Well, here in Costa Rica it's very easy to find those kind of things, believe it or not. And if you need some information concerning landscaping, shopping, hospitals, doctors, whatever the case may be, feel free to send me an email to Joseph Emanuelli at remax.net. That's Joseph Emanuelli at remax.net. I'll respond right away. I'll try to give you the best information possible and give you a couple different options. So when you're thinking about moving to Costa Rica and you want to do landscaping and you want to make sure your place looks good, it's very easily done and very cost effective as well. So thanks a lot. Appreciate your time. Look forward to hearing from you and have a great day. Bye-bye.